to squeeze these little tanks together and push this out. Get this out of the way. Looks like up here also there's a couple thingies. We'll squeeze this together with some pliers and we'll get this out of the way. All right, this came out. Actually, the cable just came out of this back piece right here. There. And this cable's got a little, that's where the plunger was. Right here, that's probably that piece right there. So I'm gonna take these bolts out here, that bolt, and that bolt should set us free. All right, then we need to get the window down so we can unattach it from the assembly. Here's the electrical connector. We just push in from below. It's got a retainer too. We got to push that gray piece up and push out. Just took the motor out so I can hopefully push the window down. So we get the window pushed down halfway, then we can get access to the bolts that hold it onto the window. We'll take those two off next. All right, now we'll have to maybe pull the window up and secure it somehow. We got some suction cups, so you can use some tape and hold the window up while we're doing the rest of the repair. So you kind of see how I pulled it out. I'm going to try and put it in the same way then. So we can lay this like this and fold this over, fold this like this. This looks pretty good. I'm going to try and tuck it in this way. I guess we'll find out if my battery died or what happened there, but we got it installed here. We're just gonna loosen it. So I think my camera died, so I'm using back to my cell phone camera. Just get the bolt started here, and then we'll just line up the other pieces in here and line these up too again. And once we get this assembly working, then we'll go ahead and slide the window down, or we'll plug in the motor switch and we'll activate the window so we can line up our window glass with our slides on the assembly. I'm just going to go ahead and try and line these babies up. So this does have a little different electrical connector. I just found this pigtail on here. Otherwise we got all our bolts started here. And then we can just tighten them up. Then we'll drop the window like we talked about. We've got these two connectors plugged in, got the key turned down, we can operate the window. We're going to put it somewhere we can get to the bolts. And we're going to drop the window down gently, land in the slots, and we can put our two bolts in there, landed right on the spot where it's supposed to. So we can put our two bolts in there, tighten it up. And reverse procedure to install, and you will have completed the replacement of your transmission, window transmission, for your 2000 Pontiac Grand Am SE.